July 15th, 2021, a Subway restaurant. A woman refused to pay, refused to cooperate, and made the worst decision of her day.
You gonna pay for those? Or not?
Get the fuck out of darkness spaces, love and the wisdom. Get out of my face. What the f do to you on the face of the face?
I just need your name and date of birth.
Give me no way out, cause the whole world gonna blow this shit up. That the World Trade Center never ever be alive. Give me a chance for your dumb, deceitful ways. Get the f out of my face, Charles. Better stop loving me. Get out of my mommy. I don't want you. Get the f out of my face. You wanna f a woman up? What the f you think this power is for?
Stop resisting.
Get the f your whole life is f***ed up now.
So that's you?
I have spinach, tomatoes,
You wanna fucking kill the whole world in a fucking dark place?
I'll go right for it.
What's wrong with your head? These people know that you are committed to ultimately fucking serious. Oh, mommy, man, stop hurting a woman, man. I'm just... What you doing to me, though, sir? You never not to have love in your heart. What you doing to me, though? I ain't did nothing to people. Darkness is here. Darkness is here. Give Jessica the angel. Okay? The man here.
I have one black food, $10.95. 2 for I'm gonna need you on scene for use of force.
No way. No ass had no way to access in life. And you still want to hurt a woman for nothing that she never did.
All I needed was your name and date of birth. And
Man,
you wouldn't give me
you
that.
came in amongst me and amongst in the store.
Right, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. You gonna give me your name? No? Alright, turn around. Turn around.
I just said Jessica.
Oh, Jessica. Now you want to give me your name after you fight me?
What
You didn't have to do all of that. Now you in cuffs.
Man, you ain't nothing to her. She gonna be a woman that's seen.
Alright.
Man, give Jessica, you not to ever kill a witch in life.
Okay.
You is a witch in life.
Okay.
You the witch of life.
I got you.
Why you wanna hurt me though?
That's cool. Should have thought of that before you swung on me. Have a seat.
Fuck, you wanna just... Where am I going at though, sir?
Have a seat. All I needed was your name and your date of birth.
I just gave you my name. I said Jessica 61296.
6/12/96.
What the hell is wrong with you though, sir? I never did nothing to you.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You know
You're
what you
not
did.
nothing amongst the world.
Okay.
I ain't did nothing to you, man. Oh my God, honest moments in life.
Alright.
Alright, man, we're gonna take that bag off of you, okay?
What is he wanting to do to amongst me? Amongst me, everything.
Okay, man, you're gonna need to turn around, okay? So I can get through your hands. Turn around, if you could turn.
I'm gonna take this off. I just want to f***ing solve it like
Okay.
the whole f***ing world know.
Okay, I understand that you're upset, and I understand why, but I'm gonna need to turn around.
Man, what the f*** you want out of me though?
Okay, we're gonna need to take your bag off. I told you that, okay? So I'm just
You ain't Jesus, you ain't faces, you ain't love. You was just a fucking mean and nasty oldest witch of the all-flippers in time.
Okay. Ma'am, turn around so I can get your bag off of you, okay?
So you gonna give me a fucking way in life? I ain't never disrespected.
Okay. No, I understand that. But turn around. No. Turn your body. Turn your legs that way. Ma'am. Okay.
I ain't wanna take my bag though.
Alright. I'm gonna take one cuff off so we can get the bag off. Alright? Cuffs are gonna go back on though. Alright. Go ahead, put your hands back behind your back. No. Turn around.
Why I can't get a sub in the fucking life?
Ma'am, turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
The world know. And I ain't never did shit to Charles. Please let me be the leading way in life.
Ma'am, turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
The ancients would never be destruction, and they would give that woman that basin of fame.
Alright.
And she the pain.
Alright.
She the pain. So people feel the rush and the pain. Charles is a witch that want to kill.
Alright, I'm gonna double lock it so they don't pinch your hands.
Because of him killing my whole family. And my family was never even killed.
Yeah. Alright. Okay.
Why y'all want to treat Jessica? Jessica is Brody and she.
Okay. You put your feet in the car.
The door's gonna close on you.
This man don't love me and he don't love you. He don't love me and he don't love you.
Put your foot in the car, man. Ma'am, you gotta put your foot in the car. You gotta put your foot in the car or it's gonna get crushed. Never mind.
Show your ass some milk. And a Muppet head. Don't touch me. Please get off of Jessica. She killed Jessica. Whole mother family. Bitch, get the out of my face. I don't want to kill. He want to make it seem like it's I killed my whole loving.
Come over here, Miss Debbie. Relax.
Charles killed me for no reason because he killed my own family. Charles, your ass is not a wish. You is deceitful in life. Fuck, I gotta be in the force of your fucking face. No, man, this man is evil. Amongst me, what you want to do?
Come on.
Cassandra said, when you let her slap her, you ain't never been a filth.
No, don't.
You in love. You ain't love. You don't love me. Charles don't love me.